Okay, so let's look at the grammar levels and break down these parts. So we can break down sentences to understand all parts. We can break it down to a very small level. So a sentence: I will be writing and I need to get better at outlining. So I will be writing and I need to get better at outlining. A sentence, a statement. So the clause then, let's break it down. This sentence has two clauses. I will be writing plus I need to get better at outlining. I will be writing, I need to get better. Two clauses, one sentence. A statement. Statement of fact. But we have a phrase. I will be writing. I will be writing. I need to get better at outlining. So I need to get better at outlining. Different phrases. Writing is a verb, so a verb can be by itself. I will be. Here's the verb. Will, verb. I, subject, verb. I will be something. But let's break it down into the individual words. I will be writing. I will be writing. I am teaching. I need to get better at outlining. Loads of words there. Okay. But in the morpheme, I. Okay. Will, were ill. Be, maybe but e, but be. Writing, writing, maybe even writing. Breaking down the words almost to the syllable level. Not quite, not exactly syllables, but very, very similar. What ill? That's will, one syllable, but what ill? Be writing. How cool is that? So we can break the sentence down. The sentence, clause, phrases, words, and morphemes. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.